Welcome to Official Senior Health, the channel where we dive deep into health tips and superfoods that can transform your life and keep you feeling your best as you age. If you're worried about your vision and looking for ways to preserve or even improve it, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore one powerful superfood that could potentially help heal vision loss and support your eye health. You're about to discover an all-natural remedy that may surprise you. But before we jump in, if you're serious about improving your health and want more life-changing tips, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's dive right into the world of this remarkable superfood that could be the answer to your vision concerns. The shocking truth about vision loss. We all know that our eyesight tends to fade with age, but did you know that this isn't always inevitable? Many people assume that vision loss is a part of aging and that there's nothing you can do about it. But here's the shocking truth. Your vision can actually improve, and the key could be in your diet. That's right, what you eat has a direct impact on the health of your eyes. Imagine reversing years of damage and improving your vision with just one simple, natural food. Intrigued? Keep watching because we're about to reveal a superfood that could work wonders for your eyes. Exploring vision loss. Before we talk about the superfood, let's take a moment to understand why vision loss happens in the first place. Age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and diabetic retinopathy are some of the most common causes of vision loss as we age. But did you know that oxidative stress and inflammation are at the heart of many of these conditions? Oxidative stress happens when the free radicals in our body damage our cells, and it affects the delicate tissues of the eyes. Inflammation can further exacerbate the issue, leading to conditions like macular degeneration, where the central part of your vision deteriorates, making it hard to see details. But don't worry, we're not just going to talk about the problem, we're going to offer you a solution. And that solution starts with the right foods. What if you could heal your vision naturally? What if you could start healing your eyes naturally, without expensive treatments or complicated procedures? Well, here's the good news. You can. The food we're about to introduce you to has the power to fight the very causes of vision deterioration, protect your eyes, and even help you regain some of your lost sight. No need for surgeries or expensive pills. Just a simple superfood you can easily add to your diet. Stick with us, because we're about to unlock the secret to restoring your vision. The superfood that can heal your vision loss. The superfood we're talking about today is none other than carrots. Yes, this humble orange root vegetable is packed with so many nutrients that it can make a world of difference to your eye health. You may have heard that carrots are good for your eyesight, but do you know why they're so powerful? The answer lies in their high content of beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A plays a critical role in maintaining healthy vision, especially in low light conditions. Beta-carotene not only helps maintain the retina, but also protects it from oxidative stress that can lead to vision loss. The retina is essential for sharp vision, and without proper nutrients, it can deteriorate over time. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene, can fight oxidative damage and protect the delicate retinal tissues. So what makes carrots so special for your eyes? The eye-opening benefits of carrots. You might be thinking, okay, I've heard that carrots are good for my eyes, but how exactly do they work? Well, let's break it down. When you eat carrots, your body converts the beta-carotene into vitamin A, which is then transported to the retina. Once there, vitamin A helps produce a pigment called rhodopsin, which is crucial for your vision, especially in dim light. Without enough rhodopsin, you might have trouble seeing at night or in low light conditions, a condition known as night blindness. But that's not all. Vitamin A is also responsible for maintaining the health of the cornea, the outer surface of the eye, and ensuring that the mucous membranes inside your eyes stay lubricated. One of the most amazing things about carrots is their ability to improve macular health, which is essential for sharp vision. The macula is a part of your retina responsible for central vision, the kind of vision you need for activities like reading, driving, and recognizing faces. When the macula is damaged or degenerates, your vision can become blurry, and you may struggle with tasks that require sharp sight. By consuming carrots, you provide your eyes with the nutrients they need to repair and protect the macula, helping you maintain clear and focused vision. Carrots as a natural solution to cataracts. You may have heard of cataracts, those cloudy areas that form on the lens of your eye, leading to blurry vision and eventual blindness if left untreated. But what if we told you that carrots could help prevent cataracts from forming in the first place? Studies have shown that antioxidants, like those found in carrots, play a major role in reducing the risk of cataracts. The antioxidants in carrots work by neutralizing free radicals, which are molecules that can damage the cells in your eyes and accelerate cataract formation. What makes carrots so effective in preventing cataracts is their rich supply of beta-carotene and vitamin C. These antioxidants not only protect your eyes from oxidative stress, but also help keep the lens of your eye clear and free from harmful buildup. So by regularly consuming carrots, you're essentially giving your eyes a powerful shield against cataract development, which can make a huge difference as you age. Carrots aren't just for eyesight, they benefit overall health. While we've been focusing on the impact carrots have on your vision, it's important to note that they offer a multitude of benefits for your overall health. Carrots are rich in fiber, which helps maintain a healthy digestive system and can keep you feeling fuller for longer. They also support your immune system thanks to their high vitamin C content. But perhaps one of the most important benefits of carrots, especially for seniors, is their ability to reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. As you age, protecting your heart and immune system is just as important as protecting your eyes. Carrots, with their combination of antioxidants and essential nutrients, help fight the damage caused by oxidative stress in multiple areas of the body. By including them in your diet regularly, you can help improve your overall health while simultaneously boosting your eye health. How to incorporate more carrots into your diet. Now that you know just how amazing carrots are for your eyes, you may be wondering how you can incorporate them into your diet. The great news is that carrots are incredibly versatile. You can eat them raw as a snack, toss them into salads, or juice them for a refreshing drink. Carrot juice is an excellent way to quickly absorb the beta-carotene, and it's an easy way to get a daily dose of nutrients. If you're looking for a heartier option, you can roast or steam carrots and pair them with your favorite dishes. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that carrots are easy to find and affordable. For even more benefits, you can combine carrots with other vision-boosting foods, such as spinach, packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, and sweet potatoes, which also contain beta-carotene. Together, these foods can work synergistically to support your eye health and keep your vision sharp for years to come. The long-term impact on your eyes. If you're serious about improving your eyesight, the key is consistency. While carrots won't work overnight, incorporating them into your daily diet can lead to noticeable improvements in your vision over time. Imagine being able to see clearer, with sharper focus and reduced eye strain, even as you age. By nourishing your eyes with the nutrients they need, you'll be investing in your future well-being and preserving your vision for years to come. Conclusion. In conclusion, carrots are a simple yet incredibly powerful food that can help protect and even heal your vision loss. Whether you're dealing with age-related macular degeneration, night blindness, or cataracts, carrots offer a natural and accessible solution. Remember, the health of your eyes is in your hands, and with the right nutrition, you can support your vision and enjoy clearer, sharper sight for years to come. Thank you for watching today's video on Official Senior Health. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family who may also benefit from these tips. Make sure to subscribe for more health tips that can transform your life. Stay healthy, stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video.